How to fix ThinkPhone 25 can't receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your network connection will work properly or not. And then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then click on see all apps. And then scroll down and click on messages. And click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear your storage and cache memory. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system updates. Now here you can check your system updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. Now go back and click on system and click on reset options. On top you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Now click on reset settings. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.